I will read this book. I am going to read this book. What is the difference? Before we start, make sure you get your free 7-day English grammar course by email from the link in the video description and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. So let's move on to the difference between will and going to in English. Watch this video until the end because there is a practice exercise at the end. So I'm going to read this book and I will read this book. What is the difference between them? The first one, going to, is a plan or an intention. Something that I decided before now. Something that I have been thinking about. It is not a spontaneous decision. I will read this book is different. It is a spontaneous decision. It is something that I decided now at the time of speaking. I will read this book is the future simple tense in English. So let's look at some more examples. First, going to. I'm going to visit my aunt next week. It's something I have planned. It's a plan, it's an intention that I have. We are going to move next month. We've been talking a lot about this. It's a plan that we have. My niece is going to study medicine. She has been preparing for it. She has been thinking about it. It's a plan that she has. Now, will. I'm hungry. I will have a sandwich. I have just decided. Someone is at the door. I will open it. It's not a plan. I have just decided to do it. I forgot to call my friend. I will do it now. I have just made this decision at the time of speaking. So that is the basic difference between them. One is about the plan, the other one is about a spontaneous decision. But there are also other ways to use will and going to. So keep watching. First, let's look at will. So will can also be used to talk about predictions about something. When you believe that something will happen, but you're not 100% sure because you don't have any evidence to prove it. It's more of an opinion that you have about what will happen in the future. I think it will rain tomorrow, but it's difficult for you to prove it because at the moment the sun is shining. So it's just a feeling or an opinion that you have about the future. They won't win the game. So won't is will not. And it's a prediction I'm making. I have no evidence to prove it. I just have this feeling that they won't win it. But you can also talk about predictions using going to. But these predictions are a little bit different. They are based on evidence, on something that you can see. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain. So I can see dark clouds in the sky and I'm making a prediction based on what I can see, based on the evidence. It's going to rain. Be careful. You're going to fall. Again, I can see that you're doing something dangerous. So I'm making a prediction based on this evidence. You're going to fall. Okay, let's go back to will. There is one more situation in which you need will. When you make a promise, an offer, or refuse to do something. So basically, to say that you will or will not do something. I will help you with your homework. It's an offer I'm making. I won't tell anyone your secret. It's a promise I'm making. I'm tired. I won't go to the party. So here I'm refusing to do something. I'm saying I will not do it. If you've been watching my channel, you probably know that I like to compare two things to each other. So let's look at some comparisons. Before we do though, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. So look at this. One person says, I'm tired. The other person answers, I will cook dinner tonight. So he has just decided to do it. It's a spontaneous decision, and that's why it's will. But if he says, I'm going to cook dinner tonight, it's something he decided before. He already had this plan before she even said she was tired. The second example, I think she will win the race. She's running fast. She's going to win. So the first one is an opinion. It's a prediction, but it's not based on evidence. In the second one, there is evidence. I can see that she is running very fast. So my prediction is based on this evidence. She's going to win. The phone is ringing. I will answer it. I'm going to answer it. I will answer it is an offer I'm making. I'm going to answer it is something I decided before it even rang. Okay, time to do a practice exercise. Tell me, which answer is correct? Look at those dark clouds. It will rain or it's going to rain. Which answer is correct? It's going to rain because you can see those clouds. That's your evidence. So you're making a prediction based on what you can see. So you need going to. The next question, she will or she's going to visit her family next weekend. She's already got her ticket. So she's already got the ticket, which means it's a plan. It's not a spontaneous decision. So we need going to. Don't worry. I will help you with your homework or I'm going to help you. Which one is correct? So this is an offer I'm making. And if I'm making you an offer, I need will. I don't want to go to the party. I think I will stay or I'm going to stay at home. I've just decided. I have just decided, so I will stay at home. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe and get your free English grammar course by email from the link in the video description. And I'll see you next time. Bye!